Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today, I want to show you how to make a no-drill bail handle for your Stanley 2-cup cook set. Stay tuned. You can find a lot of videos on YouTube on how to put a bail handle on your Stanley 2-cup cook set. And often it involves drilling a hole in either side up near the top using a fish mouth spreader or some kind of wire, and that works fine. There's also some designs where you can put a wire around the outside and just using this lip around here to hold it up. Those seem to work okay. But I wanted something that was very sturdy, that would be long lasting, and that I could leave on the cook set and didn't require me to take it down and on and off every time I used it. And so I came up with something that is unique to me. I've not seen anybody do this, and I want to share that with you. To do this project, you're going to need just a few simple things. First of all, a stainless steel hose clamp. And you can see perhaps right there the size this is. It's 4.5 to 5 and on the inch scale. And then it looks like it's 105 to 127 millimeters. Also a screwdriver for tightening the clamp. You're going to need a piece of wire. This is half of a clothes hanger. You're going to need some of these Chicago screws, and I'll show you why in just a second. And then you also need some sort of permanent marker. So the first thing I want to do is taking my hose clamp. I don't want this adjustment screw to interfere in any way with the operation of the pot or the bail handle. So I'm going to put it right back here on the side, right next to where the handle is. Then I'm going to take the Sharpie and I'm going to very carefully mark on either side of this, like so, making it kind of wide, and that area is going to be trimmed out about halfway. So you're going to end up with something that looks like that. Then you can cut that out with a hacksaw or a Dremel tool. When you have that done, it's going to look something like this. And that is large enough for this to fit over top of the handle like this, so it goes below the lid and around this section here. Go ahead and tighten this down so that you know about where it's supposed to sit. Then you want to take your Sharpie and you want to make sure that your holes are on either side. And so you'll mark right here and then over here where you want to drill a hole. So exactly opposite of your handle on top. After you've drilled your holes, you'll have one here and one here. You can see both of them. And what those are for, I just got these from Tandy Leather, and these are just 1/4 inch or 0.6 centimeter Chicago screws. And we're not interested in the screw part, we're only interested in this section here. This would be the female end. I'm going to get 2 of them. And how these are going to fasten on is they're going to go on the inside, just like this, and poke through either end, just like so, down over the top, like this. Then we take the screwdriver and we fasten it down. So now we have this screwed in and tightened. Here is our adjuster, and we have the 2 female ends here and here on either side of our pot. Then we take a half of a clothes hanger and you bend it just like this. And if you want to see a video where I actually do a tutorial on how to bend this, I'll post a link to it right up here. Once you get that done, it's a simple matter to spread this out and put these little ears in either one of these ends. If you've done this right, you'll have a very nice bail handle that will automatically center itself when you hang it on a stick, just like so. And of course it's stainless steel, so it works really great, and it forms itself to the pot. And what's nice about this is, of course, with our spoon and then using this simple cup here, what we can do is we can literally put all of this together in one very convenient package. Slide it down in, and as you can see, this handle is sized perfectly. It will fit around everything, and now we have one complete cook set, and we don't have to take anything apart. It's all together. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure and check out the links in the description box below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.